Is your MacBook dying way faster than the day you bought it? It's probably not a hardware problem, it's vampire apps. I'm showing you the 3 hidden settings you can change right now to make your battery last significantly longer by tonight. Let's save your juice.
First, Activity Monitor. Hit Command plus space and type Activity Monitor. Click the Energy tab. This shows you exactly which apps are sucking the most power right now. If you see Google Chrome and switch to Safari, it's optimized by Apple, 50% less power. Step 2. Go to System Settings, #Battery. Most people only they hit 20%. Don't wait. Switch low power mode to always while you're on battery. On M-series chips, you won't even notice a speed difference for daily tasks, but your battery will stay in
the green for hours longer. Finally, enable optimized battery charging. This stops in
100% all night, which actually cooks the battery over time. It keeps it
at 80% until you actually need to leave. Pro tip: if you use Chrome, go to Chrome Settings, Performance, and turn on Memory Saver. Your Mac will thank you tonight.
Let me know in the comments if it's below 80%, you might need a deed.
More MacBook secrets. For more ways to speed up your Mac, check out this video here.
In this video here, I'm the Wise Review. Stay productive.